In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly reorder your tabs in Google Sheets so your workflow stays clean and organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and look down at the bottom of your screen where all your tabs are lined up. Now, find the tab you want to move. Click and hold your mouse on that tab. This puts it in drag mode so you can reposition it. While holding the click, simply drag the tab left or right. As you move it, you'll notice a small indicator showing exactly where the tab will be placed. Once you found the perfect spot, release your mouse. Your tab will instantly move into its new position. If it's not exactly where you want it, no problem. Just click and drag again until everything is arranged the way you like. This is super useful when you want to organize sheets by months, projects, or priority, so everything is easier to find at a glance. And that's it. With a simple drag and drop, you can keep your tabs perfectly organized in seconds. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.